Sorry. Hi guys, welcome back to another vlog. We're gonna be showing you all butter slides. By the way, my name is Jayla, and then I have another YouTube channel with my friends, just JJ, and then that's it. And let me show you the other one that I'm with. She's my friend. And by the way, if you have Musical.ly, make sure to follow me on Musical.ly. Mine's Carla, and then my other friend name is Emily something. Malicia.
And Malicia LOL.
Yeah, and then let me just show